I notice there seems to be a long line outside the toilets up there. Especially you ladies. I don't know, you ladies must take longer in than the guys, eh?
Job.
But there are extra portaloos over on the other side of the track. You need to use them. Stay well hydrated. It's nice and dry. The climate down here in Canberra for running is ideal. Low humidity. There is a little bit of direct sunlight out there, so make sure that you've got a little bit of sunblock or a hat on. You're going to be out there for a little while. We'll be getting the 10K race, sell-out field. Come up to the start line, everyone. 3, 2, 1, go! Congratulations, guys. Good running. Embrace the struggle. Embrace the pain. One lap of the criterium track to warm up. Got a youngster pushing the pace. Still got 9.5K to go. Take it easy.
Go ahead.
Great field. Congratulations, guys. There is a drink station out there at 5 kilometres. Portaloos out there on the criterium
Go, Jim.
track. Settle in, find your own rhythm. In the early stages of the run, if you're finding someone who's running at about the same pace as you are, introduce yourself.
What are you doing?
So congratulations, everyone. Heading out there on the 10K lightning strike here at our 8th running of Stromlo Running Festival. Acknowledging and recognising the struggle of those Canberra bushfires back in 2003. So when you're pushing through the hills out there, don't forget to look up and look around, celebrate the achievement of reaching the top of some of the greatest peaks and hills here in Canberra. We'll see you in about 10 kilometres. Work together out there, make sure that you get drinks. There's water here on the right hand side of the track as you're running past if you didn't get a chance to get something when you headed out before the start. As I was saying before, introduce yourself to someone running about the same pace and see whether you can support each other over that last little bit of the run when it really starts to get tough out there. It is going to warm up. Make sure you stay well hydrated out there. Congratulations, record number of runners in the sell-out field here at Stromlo in the 10K. We love a challenge, don't we? It's only when we get outside our comfort zone that we really grow, we really develop. Wonderful to see our virtual runners supporting the Indigenous Marathon Foundation. Running Mums Australia, met a couple of Running Dads Oz. Really creating a family running community out there, great to see. Congratulations everyone coming out here and participating and running in our 7th running, 8th running of the Stromlo Running Festival here in beautiful Stromlo Forest Park. We want to get off the roads. Man wasn't built to run on roads. We were built to run on trails, run on dirt. This is an opportunity for us to get out there, get back to our roots, our ancestral roots of long distance running. Covering the distance in the dirt. Good on you. All IMF supporters, virtual runners, fundraisers out there running for different charities. I saw Someone out there supporting Soldier On, another great cause, another great charity. I want you guys to come up afterwards and tell me your story. I want to acknowledge and celebrate and recognise you. A couple of the young fellas. This is the young fellas we introduced at the start, eh? Good on you guys.
No more uphill, Bronwyn.
You only got 25 ahead. Well done, all downhill.